Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Pebble model and updating firmware. This ensures compatibility. Next, open the Pebble mobile app and pair the watch via Bluetooth. Keep the phone within about 0.5 to 1 meter. Once paired, enable developer mode inside the app. This unlocks advanced features you need. Now, make sure the watch has at least 30% battery because you will be installing a custom watch face or app. Proceed when ready. These steps prevent interruptions and prepare the... You now install the persistent display solution, a dedicated always-on watch face or community app. Use the Pebble mobile app and developer sideloading. Follow prompts to select the PBW file and confirm installation. Once installed, set that watch face as active on the watch. This forces the screen to remain visible. Then, make sure to adjust brightness and screen timeout inside the watch face settings to the lowest comfortable level, because this balances visibility with battery life. Otherwise, the device will dim or sleep. Finally, test the always-on behavior for about 10 to 15 minutes. Watch the screen to confirm it stays lit. If you see the display sleep, recheck that the side-loaded watch face has proper permissions and that firmware matches the app requirements. Then reinstall if needed. Make sure background settings in the Pebble app do not override the face. If battery drain or instability continues, restore the default face and update firmware. This gives you a clean baseline to retry the process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.